getting late, so if you'll excuse me, grandmother, maybe you can speak to Dante alone. But a lot to do before my trip to Paris.
I'd say you've done enough.
Look, I know that you disagree with me about my decision to give Ace to my father, but please, it's very difficult for me.
Yeah. Well, doing the right thing is rarely easy, which is why you're going to stay right here and you're going to tell the PCPD everything you know about Ace's kidnapping.
So when did you realize Ace was missing? And who do you think is responsible?
This situation is rather complicated.
My brother is with our father.
Nicholas is back in town.
He was. I didn't see him, though.
So what happened? Nicholas walked in, took Ace? Nobody noticed?
Not exactly.
Sorry, Laura, I don't think I understand.
I let my father take Ace. I'm very, very sorry to have wasted your time, but as you can see, the police aren't necessary in this situation. My baby brother wasn't kidnapped.
Well, technically, by New York state law, you're right.
I said that it was a complicated situation. That's why I didn't report that Ace was abducted.
Right. I mean, it would have been considered kidnapping had Esme had a legal custody order. But otherwise, the statute, the default is that both parents get custody. There are extreme situations where one parent can be convicted of kidnapping if they take the child without the other parent's permission.
Right, but this is not an extreme situation. My father just wanted to spend some time with his son.
Right, without Ace's mother knowing who's been raising him up until this point. What's Esme have to say about all this?
I'm sure she's just going out of her mind. Hasn't she made a report?
No, there's no
You
report.
see, this proves exactly what I was saying. Esme doesn't want to go to the police right now, not given the stakes.
What stakes are higher than a missing child?
Spencer is convinced that Esme has not made a report about Ace being missing because she's afraid that the DA's office is going to reinstate the charges against her.
But why would she be afraid of that all of a sudden? I mean, Trina agreed to drop the charges because DA Scorpio said charges wouldn't stick, a jury wouldn't convict because Esme couldn't remember the crime she committed.
She couldn't then, but she can now.
So are you saying that Esme's got her memory back?
That's exactly what I'm saying. And I'm also saying that you should go arrest her instead of my father.